How to fix Instagram message requests not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram app. Head over to your Play Store and here search for Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on update and update your app. Once you do so, open your Instagram, get logged into your Instagram account, then tap on to use section. Now if you are not being able to see the message request, you might have mistakenly turned it off. Let's go ahead and fix it. Tap on the 3-bar icon on your right hand side. Here scroll below and under how others can interact with you, you will see messages and story replies. Tap onto it. Then under how people can reach you, you will see message controls. Tap open it. Then tap on requests. In order to receive message requests, now go back and under others on Instagram, also choose the option of message requests. And just like so, if you would also like to change the group chat settings, tap on who can add you to groups and you can tap on everyone on Instagram. And that is how you can fix your problem. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.